For us, Yael, and I make no presumptions about gender, but often it's when a wife comes to see us and the husband's the financially stronger party, and there's been a decision to get divorced by one or both of them, but she's worried she doesn't have the money to pay for it because the husband's been the financial manager of the marriage, and she doesn't have the resources like he does to pay us.
And it's not just always the resources. They don't have the information. They have no access to money. They may be in a position where husband gives them like an allowance or a housekeeping for the month, and they actually don't know where to start. And they feel, they are disadvantaged by not being able to be legally represented. So they'll come to us and ask us, what can I do about that?
Yeah. And the first thing we say is we need to invite him to pay.
That's the starting point, always. In the event he says no, then we explore what other avenues, would be available to her. And obviously, if they're already in court, it's not a great, resource to have to do that. But if you have to go and ask the court to make a legal payment services order, you do.
Yeah.
But that he needs to think about that.
Yeah. And also, she can apply for a loan, and she must do so.
Yes.
Twice. Get
Rejected.
2 no's.
Yes.
Get 2 no's before she can apply to the court for an order to force him to pay. And what I always say to husband clients is, you will take a hit on the interest anyway,
astronomical,
because it's likely to come out as a top slice of the settlement. And so you'll both bear the interest charges. And why suffer
madness. That? And when, the husband has got the liquidity to be able to afford to pay for her legal fees, why would he not just agree to do that? And we hope that the sensible lawyer on the other side will advise him.
Yeah.
And guide him to do that.
Yeah.
Rather than have to take the expense of a litigation loan, which is, we've experienced that. It's astronomical interest rates.
It is. And also, it starts things off on the right foot.
Correct. It doesn't raise the heat and the temperature, and we can get on with it just to resolve it.
Yeah.
Which is what we're about.
Yeah. Non-court dispute resolution.
Exactly. The way forward.
Yeah.